answer topicality.
Mm-hmm.
And then next is answer to econ advantage, and then methane, and then Russia, and then last is the Coast Guard. Actually, can I switch the order? It's,
yeah.
Coast Guard and topicality are first, and then the methane, Russia, econ are last.
So what's the order?
What's the order
So
for
topicality, DA, econ, methane, Russia.
T.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, topicality 1. Ferry model. We allow vehicles that move other vehicles. Have et al. 2009. In addition to a variety of potential marine highway markets, it is important to consider that a single service could employ multi-business models. The first distinction is between ferry and cargo-only models. Ferry model. In a ferry model, the vessel serves as one more piece of transportation infrastructure available to trucks, much like road or a bridge. Next, vehicles are part of transportation infrastructure. Department of Transportation 2009. The physical infrastructure systems (COI) maintains cognizance and provides technical support in the design, operation, inspection, maintenance, and rehabilitation of existing and future transportation infrastructure, including equipment, vehicles, vessels, and rights of ways, include waterways, terminals, and intermodal network facilities. Extend plan creates waterways where they did not previously exist. This evidence shows clearly that the icebreakers creates waterways, which is part of transportation network, and which is part of the transportation network system and infrastructure. And next is econ event. DA. They say that plan consumes specific trade-off, or plan consumes budget. However, that's not true because the DoD, the Department of Defense, will spend money to buy the icebreakers for the Coast Guard. So that means the Coast Guard's budget won't collapse or anything because the DoD is spending, and they will spend because the icebreakers can help in naval operations, and that goes for the military and Department of Defense. Therefore, their uniqueness or their first argument of that DA is invalid. And next, they say that plan forms trade-off, and they read that icebreakers are bad and take too long. However, icebreakers, we already read in 1AC proof that icebreakers only take 2 years to build, and when operated, it generates more money, and that leads to our econ advantage, and that solves the DA. And the example of the evidence is that the plan is more cost-effective than status quo acquisitions. The more we build, the more we save. Ewing 2011. One new icebreaker would cost 856 million. 2 could cost 1.7 billion, and 6 would cost 4.7 billion. The iron laws of shipbuilding apply. The unit costs go down as total quantities go up. And they also say that. Move on to economy advantage. For econ, there's one more evidence. Faster shipping routes save companies money. Bachman, June 13. Using the Northern Sea routes instead of canal saves 1,000 tons of fuel, or $650,000. A voyage through Arctic waters is as much as 40% shorter than the voyage. Shorter than a journey via the Panama or Suez Canal. Okay, next is methane. Arctic is the main area of methane release. Release we call inversible tipping point. Dor et al. 2012. A molecule of methane has 20 times the greenhouse effect of a CO2 molecule. Even moderate warming of the overlying waters may change the state of methane from hydrates to methane gas, which would be released to the atmosphere. This evidence says that even if the water dissolves the methane, it's impossible because methane is really strong, 20 times the effect of CO2, and also there's so much methane trapped under the ice that even if the U.S. does not drill it and Russia drills it, it will escape and it will cause extinction. And Wait, and then they say that the economy like decline, like it won't lead to war. However, it will lead to war because bad economic times leads to war. And they say that shipbuilding, we don't have enough workers. However, the U.S. is one of the largest shipbuilding industries ever in the whole world, and that means like they have so much people. And since U.S. is like a big country, they of course have so much people that can specialize in shipbuilding. And next. Is methane. They say that there's no impact. However, I just proved clearly that even if we don't go to even if we don't have the methane advantage, methane will still escape, and that will cause. And then answer to Russia.
Time. Okay, next round you have 558.
你没有叫我 read. I already said it. I already said it.
Icebreaker does not take 2 years. That's like Russian, but you can't learn that. We already had projects on it, funding on it. Okay, next, so icebreakers actually take a decade to build. So plan icebreakers entire legislator. It takes a decade, not 2 years to use to the Russians. Next is the advantage. I don't really know how to answer that. I don't know.
Yeah, and I already said
faster just it's not still not proof to see that. Oh, but they also say, but I'm going to say this guy's history is that the economic farm does not cause war, but increases economy leads to regulations, it's causing war. Next is elementary, like I said before. It doesn't matter how powerful the market is, as long as it's dilution, because it's really diluted in the water. If it's diluted in the water, it's safe. And the next is all the evidence is implemented gets to the air. As I said before, they will not get to the air because it's de-oxidized and diluted. And next is for skilled workers. It doesn't matter how many people work. It doesn't matter how many people matter. It doesn't matter how many people it's a matter about how many skilled workers, like it lacks skilled, keyword skill, not just any ordinary people that can get ships. And skilled workers, which is a problem in the U.S. causing the shipbuilding industry to fall. They didn't talk about Russia. Russia causes a war, and if there is a war, Russia will lose. Thus, we prove that there is no chance of war. However, if Russia wants war, it will be because of the competition that we caused. And in all war, people will be dead.
Just read the tag.
And they drop it onto the second paper. And they can't say
I really want to say that Jordan got off from tag.
Oh, here. Look, here. Beauty. Then the Coast Guard has a more immediate need than DOD to acquire it. Yeah, I'm saying that. Coast Guard has more immediate, but DOD have a caliber. I'm just going to say that our interpretation is better and it's fair for all, since we state we need to be bound. Last two again. And finally is. I don't really know how to talk about it. And if we use topicality, that doesn't affect us, right? No. Because it's a long movie. Next, but no new arguments out there. And they didn't talk because there's not talk about that or they have no questions. As the last one, to start it off for me because I need the chance. We brought up a new argument that it will save 1,000 tons of. 于是我就叫我。It's the building.
One minute left.
But it still doesn't matter if we save $1,000 for it. We still have to pay for the cost of building these skyscrapers.
I did. I read it. I listened to this and the argument I just did.
Topicality DA case.
As your what happens at this
I'll just I'm just going to restate this. I didn't say that it was.
Time.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Topicality, DA, and then